Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about sensors, actuators, and brief introduction of Internet of Things. So this is in this video series, you will see introduction to IoT, what architecture of IoT, sensors and actuators, classification of sensors, and few examples of sensor with respect to specific application such as green energy building and smart grid sensors. So we start with the brief definition of Internet of Things. Here you can see IoT consists of following words: Internet of Things. Here, things means connected devices. So things can be any device, any machine, any process, any object, any people. So all these things constitute things. And internet is a global network. So we simply say Internet of Things is system of interrelated communicating devices, sensors, and people. Here, devices, sensors, and everyday items which are not ordinarily considered to be computers, but which have internet connectivity and computing capability. So, here, what is the main point that is to be noted? That internet connectivity and computing capability. It means IoT based applications and IoT based systems have internet connectivity as well as computing capability. And here you can see object. What does object include? Things means different objects. So here you can see few examples of different objects that can be connected with the help of IoT. Consumer goods, car, trucks, industrial components, wearable health monitors, and so on. And the collection of devices working together to create concepts such as smart cities, smart homes, you can say smart grid. So all these are the smart home, smart city, smart grid, smart energy. So all these are the applications of IoT. Now, what are the different components? What are the various things that are involved in IoT? How this IoT will work? This can be easily seen with the help of this short video. So here you can see IoT with So in this video, you have seen there are so many applications of IoT. It includes agriculture, it includes self-driving car. So you have seen that there are different domains in which are benefited by the Internet of Things. It includes health sector also. So in this video, you have seen that these are the different applications. Some of the applications are already uh, shown in last video. IoT applications like connected car, smart home, wearables, smart farming, smart city, connected health. These applications you have just watched in last video. And now you have noticed that in all application, the first thing is measure the physical parameter, measure the real time data, real time environmental data, real time patient data. So the first stage consists of measuring any physical quantity. So if you are using IoT in any application, then you have to use different types of sensor to measure the physical quantity and convert that physical quantity into measurable electrical quantity. So here you can see IoT solutions have these four stages. First one is sensor, second one is internet gateway and data acquisition system, third one is edge IT, and the last one is data center and data cloud. So we will discuss all the stages one by one, but today we will discuss about the sensors. Here you can see sensors are the first stage of the any IoT architecture. So now we will discuss what is the sensors. So here you can see two diagrams. In left hand side you can see sensors in human body. In our body there are 5 senses. You can easily see in this diagram: sight, hearing, taste, touch, smell. These are the 5 senses of human beings. And what is the function of these sensors? The present in human body: sight for the visual, hearing for the sound, to receive sound, touch, smell. So what is the function of all these sensors, sense organs? These sense organ sense the physical quantity or outside environment and collect data from there, send that data to the brain process that data, and after what the brain do with that data. Suppose you have heard some sound, you have heard some song. So that message, that song, that vibration goes to your brain with nervous system. Then what happened? Your brain will receive those signals, process them, and suppose the sound is too loud, then your brain will send the message that lower the volume. Or if the volume was too less, then what will be the action? Then brain send the message that the sound is less. So all these things happening inside our body. So what is happening actually? Our sense organ sense the physical quantity, physical variable, send the message to brain. Brain receive that message, process it, and send the response. Or we can say it guide us what to do next. So in the same way, IoT sensors work. Here you can see different types of sensor. This RPI, this is platform. DHT11 is a sensor, LDR is a sensor, MQ2 is also sensor. This is gas sensor. This is soil moisture sensor. This is again node MCU. Node MCU and RPI is the platform which collect the data. Here DHT11 measure temperature, LDR sensor, light for light, MQ2 gas sensor. This soil moisture sensor sense humidity. So here you can see some more types of sensors: alcohol sensors, ultrasonic sensor, optical sensor, proximity sensor. This is proximity sensor. This is photodiode. This is rain sensor. This is sense head. So these are the different types of sensors available to us that can be used in your application. Suppose you want to design, you have some idea, you want to design some prototype for any application. Then first step is that you have to select what type of sensors are required for your project. So this is brief introduction of sensors. In next video we will discuss it in detail.